Hi guys, we are here in beautiful California and we are cooking up burritos. Guys, we are making chicken burritos. So the burritos is multiple layers. There's a whole bunch of stuff we're going to be cooking. We already cooked some rice. So I already have that on the stove. We are going to saute some peppers and onions, and we are going to make some black beans, and we are going to grill some chicken. So the chicken's already being marinated in chili lime seasoning. We're going to put that on the grill. Got the grill going. Let me show you what I got over here. We got some black beans. We got sazon. For y'all you Hispanic people out there, you guys know what this is for, right? Amazing seasoning. We're gonna use that for the beans. We got some tomatoes. We got some lemon. We got some diced onions, which you're gonna put in start over here for the beans. And we got some strips of peppers and onions, and we're gonna saute that here. Alright, so we're gonna get right into it. So let's start with the beans. Start with a little oil. Got some diced garlic. And we are gonna the diced onions as well. Seasoning. That's start cooking up. Big slices, big chunks is fine. Right. Okay, we got a lot of smoke from the grill, but that's okay. Nom, 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 nom. So what I have here, some dried Thai red peppers and some dried chipotle peppers. That's gonna go in the beans as well. I'm gonna kick it up a notch. All those seeds. I wish you could smell this. Once we got all this all sauteed, we are going to throw in the tomatoes. We're gonna do a little tomato paste. You can use tomato sauce. Maybe just like 2 little teaspoons. And 1 whole black beans. And we're gonna use that same can and fill it half with water. Throw a little pepper. little salt. My favorite, cilantro. And we want to chop this up into tiniest pieces. When it cooks down, oh my God, you want to cook it down until all the cilantro is wilted, all the tomatoes is cooked down. You guys, what do you think of my grill? It's pretty cool, right? This is a bare bones grill. You could use it as a grill. You could also use it as a wok if you want to put it on top of, I've used it before, on top of some bonfire. Just put the logs under here. These stands withstand a lot of heat, so you can put it right over a bonfire. And you can use this as a wok. Put some stews in here. Got a nice cast iron cover. Go on top. For today, since we needed a charcoal grill, I filled it with some charcoal and using it that way. All right, so as I mentioned earlier, we have had the chicken marinating, so we'll just put that on the grill. Now let that cook, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to prepare the rice. These I want really fine. All right, I have the rice here, which I cooked earlier. What we're gonna do is lemon. Squeeze that in there. Then we'll put that in there. So cilantro, lemon, or you can use lime, and then you just mix it in. And break it up so that it's nice and fluffy. The rest of that. I use thighs, organic thighs, because it's good on the fatty, so when you're barbecuing it, it stays juicy. stuffed it all in. We put some shredded cheese. It's a mix of some Monterey Jack and some cheddar. And we wrapped it up, and we are going to cover this so that the cheese all melts all together and all the flavors get infused. All right, let's check it out. Get it all ready to go. Really hot. Throw a little lemon in there. Ooh. Oh wow. Guys, thank you for joining me for another video. Sun setting, so I am gonna finish eating this up and I'm gonna clean up, but again, thank you for hanging out with me. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you like what you see and want to give me some love. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the subscribe button, and then if you hit that bell, it'll give you a notification on whenever I put out a new video. Okay, so I will see you guys soon. Bye.